This video, I'm going to show you how you can rearrange slides by moving them up and down in your Google Slides presentation. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to rearrange your slides, it is pretty simple. For instance, I want this slide to be moved to the place of slide 4. To do that, just go ahead and click on this and move it to where you want it to be. For that, it is still at 3. If I want to replace it or to this 4, I'll go ahead and you see if I move closer, you can see that blue line below it. It means I can now go ahead and insert it there, and then the slide number 4 will take now the position of slide number 3. Alternatively, you can also move slides by clicking on slides here, and then you can see we have an option to move. So if you want to move the slide that you have just clicked on, for instance, if I want us to move this slide number 6 to somewhere up here, I can just go ahead and click on this slide number 6 and then click on slide and click on move. And now I can decide whether I want to move it up, down, or to the beginning. So if I move it up like this, it will go ahead and take one step up. So that's how you can move slides up and down in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.